You know, I love Suunto watches, but every time I purchase one, they seem to come with some challenges. Just learning hurdles to get over to the next thing. Maybe it's like trying to figure out how to log your activities, or maybe it's just like where to find good information on the internet to do the functionality that you want to do. Maybe it's even like playing music through your headphones from the watch. I had a heck of a time finding that one. So I've created these specific videos to help you understand how to use your Suunto 7. So let's jump right in. Hey, I'm John from johnlagordia.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to help adventurers choose gear that will actually last. On this channel, sometimes I do outdoor gear reviews, from everything from tents to photography gear that you can use in the outdoors. I also do tutorials, how to use your camera, how to take better pictures, how to do better editing. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks, it means the world to me. All right, let's jump on in. So here we have the Suunto 7, and in a couple minutes or less, I'm going to give you a pro tip on how to easily customize the watch face. So simply tap on the watch to wake it up, then tap and hold to get the watch face menu. From there you can scroll through the available watch faces and just tap on one to choose it. If you don't see one that you like, you can tap and hold again and tap on See More Watch Faces. From there you can scroll up and see additional available watch faces. And if you don't see one in the list that you really like, what you can do is just tap on Get More Watch Faces. That will take you to the Google Play Store, and from there you can download an app that will have additional watch faces. I personally like to keep mine pretty simple, so I'm just going to select Marine. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you're in need of more pro tips on how to use your Suunto 7, click the card above for the next one. I'll see you in the next video.